Okay guys, this week you're going to start working on the Word documents in your Mac computers or Chromebooks or any of those. You cannot do the documents. You can do the skill building exercises, but you cannot do the documents. So for those of you who cannot afford the Microsoft Office products, Office 365, I'm going to show you how you can get it for free. It's really weird how they have this set up, and I always have to search for it. So I think it's under nope, it might be under, nope, Campus Life. Here we go. Campus Life, go to their homepage, ABC's homepage, Campus Life, Information Technology Services. Okay, scroll down till you get to technical training. I told you, it's a long way to Grandma's house the way they have this set up. Okay, then technical training, did it take us there? Did it take us? What did it do? Technical training. Microsoft Office. So I guess just click on here. Microsoft Office. Alright, and then this kind of gives you mail merge and all that, pivot tables, that kind of stuff. But this is the link you want. I'm going to do it in a new tab. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, you go here. You enter your school email. Mine's going to come up differently, but you would enter your email address, not mine, yours. So then you would have get started. Now mine may come up, then you would click on I'm a student. Okay, see mine shows that I have an account, and it will tell me use my user ID and password. But what will happen, let me see if I can go back. Yeah, now it's just going to get all this icky stuff. Okay, so I don't know. Let me see if I can do one with my dog. Okay, started. I am a student. And this is what it will do. You'll have to put, oh gosh, person at awilson@abc is going to get a code. Anyway, just put in here, create a password, this, read these here, and then hit start. Okay, and you'll get it for free. Okay, there should be no cost to you at all. Alright, I hope this helps. Okay? If you have any questions, give me a